A ruthless bird who don't give a fuck if we're right here. Just fucking eating, chilling. Motherfucker don't even give a fuck if I'm talking about him. The stupid fuck.
We're gonna talk about it like it's another house arrest ankle bracelet.
Yeah, fuckers on house arrest, watch. So watch him come back. Watch him come back. Motherfucking bird's ruthless. Watch this. Scoping us out and shit. Motherfucker's a rooster. Watch this, like, alright, y'all wanna fuck with my shit? Who want it? Who want it? Yeah, buddy. Well, we're just watching him. Do what I tell you. Ruthless ass bird, don't give a fuck. I'm training this fool how to fucking do some dope sales and shit.